Hi, welcome to the channel. Here I post challenging math problem videos. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So without further delay, let's start. The problem is, let ABCD be a square of the side length 1. Let C1 and C2 be two circles where C1 is centered at A with unit circle radius and C2 touches both the circle as well as the line AD and AB as a tangent. Now, from the point C, a tangent drawn to the circle C2 which meets the AB at point E. So we have to find the value of length EB. Okay. Now we can, this is the figure. Okay. We can solve this problem in three different ways. I propose three solutions. So first solution is using trigonometry. Let's say the radius of the smaller circle C2 is R. So the center O is R comma R. So we can write, let's say this is P and this is Q and this is capital R. Okay. Now let AP be the radius of the circle. So AP is 1. So AP can be written as AO plus OP. So AO plus OP equal to 1. Now OP is radius small r and AO is root 2r. Okay. Now r can be written as 1 by root 2 plus 1. So this is nothing but root 2 minus 1. Now we have found the value of this small r, radius of this smaller circle C2. Now let's say let this is theta. Okay, this small angle, this is theta. So this, from the triangle OCQ we can write sine theta equal to OQ by OC. Now OQ is radius, so R, and OC can be written as CAC minus AC minus AO. Yes. So R and AC is root 2 and AO is root 2R. So root 2 into R. R means root 2 minus 1. So this can be written as, here it is R, root 2 minus 2 minus plus root 2. So this is 2 minus 2 root 2. So this can be written as root 2 minus 1 and radius is root 2 minus 1. So this will get cancelled. So sine theta is half. So sine theta half means theta equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now we know this is 30 degree. Just a minute. This is 30 degree. Now this complete angle is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. This complete angle, this is 45. So this is 30. So this angle is 15 degree. Yes. So we can write this as, let's say, from the triangle ECB, from the triangle ECB, tan 15 equal to EB divided by CB. Now CB is 1 because this is a unit square. So EB is nothing but tan 15. So tan 15 is tan 45 minus 30. So we can use our tan A minus B formula. So tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. So we can write this as 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So this is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay. So we just rationalize this. So we can write this as This is 2, and root 3 minus 1 whole square means 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. So this is 4 minus 2 root 3, taking 2 common. So we can write this as 2 minus root 3 by 2. So 2 minus root 3 is the EB, because this is right in the form of alpha plus root 3 beta. So our answer, alpha is 2 and beta is minus 1. So final answer is asked as alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is 1. Okay, so this is the first solution using trigonometry. Now the second method is using geometry. So let's say the figure is same, and our radius we have calculated as root 2 minus 1, because we have to first calculate the value of r. Now we have to find this value of CQ. So CQ can be found out from this triangle OCQ. So CQ can be written as, using Pythagoras theorem, CQ equal to OC square minus OQ square. So OC means, we have also calculated the value of OC as, just a minute, OC as root 2 into root 2 minus 1. So this is 2 into root 2 minus 1. This is OC. So putting the value of this OC, this is OC square minus OQ square means our radius. Okay, so root 2 minus 1 whole square. So this can be written as, taking root 2 minus 1 out, so we have 4 minus 1 root 3. So this is the value of CQ. Now we have to find the value of EB. So from this triangle, let's assume the value of EB is, let's say this is X. Okay, say the value of EB is S. Now from this length AB, AB is 1, so we can write RE equal to 1 minus, this is AR minus EB. Okay, so 1 minus R. AR means the radius. Radius is root 2 minus 1. So this is 2 minus root 2 minus x. So we can write this as root 2 into root 2 minus 1 minus x. Okay, so why we have calculated RE? Because you know, from any external point, tangent drawn to a circle, the length of both the tangents are equal. So we can write RE as EQ, because the external point is E and the length of both the tangents RE and EQ is same. So this RE is EQ, so we can write this RE as EQ as root 2 into root 2 minus 1 minus x. Okay, so why we have calculated EQ? Because from the triangle ECB, this is a right angle triangle, so we can write EC square from the triangle ECB using Pythagoras theorem. EC square equal to EB square plus BC square. So our EB square is x, so x square plus BC is 1, BC square is 1, and EB square, EC square is EQ plus CQ. Okay, so this is EQ plus CQ whole square. Now putting all the values of EQ, CQ and everything. So EQ means this root 2 into root 2 minus 1 minus x plus CQ. CQ is this root 3 into root 2 minus 1. So this is root 3 into root 2 minus 1, and this is whole square. This is x square plus 1. So only variable is x. So let's solve this. So we can write this as root 2 minus 1 into root 3 plus root 2 minus x whole square. Now open this. So we can write this as root 2 minus 1 whole square, root 3 plus root 2 whole square, minus 2x root 2 minus 1, root 3 plus root 2, and x square equal to x square plus 1. So x square got cancelled, and 1 taking this side, and this complete term will take to that side. So we can write this as 2x root 2 minus 1 root 3 plus root 2, and this is root 2 minus 1 whole square root 3 plus root 2 whole square minus 1. So x is, we can write this as 2 times of root 2 minus 1 root 3 plus root 2 root 2 minus 1 whole square root 3 plus root 2 whole square minus 1. Okay, now just calculating the value of x. So we can take half out and divide this. So we can write this as root 2 minus 1 root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 by root 3 root 2 minus 1 and root 3 plus root 2. Now rationalize the second part. So we can write this root 2 minus 1 root 3 plus root 2 minus this is root 2 plus 1 as well as root 3 minus root 2. Okay, now just multiply. So this is root 6 plus 2 minus root 3 minus root 2, and again root 6 minus plus 2 minus root 3 plus root 2. So this root 6 will get cancelled and root 2 will get cancelled, and the this two terms is twice. So root 2 minus root 3. So this 2 will also get cancelled. So the answer x is 2 minus root 3. So x is EB. So this is alpha plus root 3 beta, which means alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to minus 1. So alpha plus beta equal to 1. Okay. So this is the method using geometry. We have found out the value length of EB. The third method is using coordinate geometry. Okay. Let's say the equation of CE is, we can take the slope of this CE line is m, so we can write y minus y1. So y1 is 1 comma 1, it passes through this 1 so we can write y minus 1 into x minus x1. Okay, so y minus 1 mx minus m. So we can write this as y minus mx minus 1 plus m equal to 0. Now as O be the center of the circle, and from O a perpendicular is dropped on the tangent CE, and so we can use the uh, distance from a perpendicular distance from a point can be written as, say, OQ equal to y minus mx minus 1 plus m under root 1 plus m square. Now here x1 y1 is the RR. So x1 comma y1 is R comma R. So we can write this as m r minus 1 plus m by under root 1 plus m square. Now the length of OQ is nothing but the radius. So if we square both sides, we can write r square into 1 plus m square equal to taking r common. So we can write this as r minus 1 whole square, and this is m minus 1 whole square. Okay. So yes, now if we solve this value, uh, just a minute. If we solve this value of m by putting r as root 2 minus 1, you will get this complete expression. So I have solved separately, and putting this value as root 2 minus 1, will get m as two values, as 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Okay, now putting back as m, we are taking m as larger value, so taking m as 2 plus root 3, we'll get y minus y1 equal to m is this into x minus x1. Okay, so this is the equation of CE. Now this CE cuts the AB at point E at the x-axis. So by putting y equal to 0, we get the value of E as x comma 0. Let's say E coordinate is x comma 0. So now putting the value of y as 0, so we get minus 1 2 plus root 3 into x minus 1. So this is y minus 2 plus root 3. This is x minus 1. So we can write this as x equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus root 3. So this is nothing but okay, just simply rationalize this. So this is 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. So this is 2 minus root 3, and in the denominator it is 1. So this is 1 minus 2 plus root 3. So this is minus 1 plus root 3. Okay, this is the value of x. Now length BE equal to AE. AE means this x. Wait a minute. This is AB minus AE. Yes, AB minus AE. This is AB minus AE. So AB is 1 minus AE. AE means this. So this is 2 minus root 3. Okay, so this is alpha plus beta root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3. So alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is all for today. See you tomorrow.